Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you apply it once and turn white hair to jet black naturally, get rid of immature hair and get jet black hair naturally. It's super effective in turning white hair to jet black and will get you an amazing results from first use. You will be amazed with the result. It is super effective in getting rid of white hair and gray hair naturally without causing any side effects, with all natural herbal ingredients that will get you an amazing results. All you need to do is prepare it, apply it once and leave it on your hair for around 1 to 2 hours, and then you will notice a great results on your hair. All the white hair and the gray hair will turn to jet black naturally. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of coffee, just ground dark coffee. I'm using here dark coffee. Then my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of black henna powder, and henna powder easily available in herbal stores and online as well. So add 1 teaspoon of black henna powder. There is brown henna powder and black henna powder. It's Mahindi. You can add 1 teaspoon of black henna powder and mix well the ingredients like I'm doing, like so. Now we need to add on it aloe vera gel, and here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. I'm going to add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Then we need to add 2 capsules of vitamin E, and vitamin E nourishes the hair naturally and enhance the blood circulation in your scalp. It is super effective in getting you dark hair, jet black hair naturally, and will help to prevent getting again gray hair and white hair. So I'm going to add 2 capsules of vitamin E. This is how you add it. Cut the capsule with a pair of scissors and add the vitamin E oil. You can use any vitamin E available for you. These 2 capsules is around 1 teaspoon of vitamin E. Now we need to mix well all the ingredients. Now we'll end up with this thick consistency paste. Apply it in your hair roots and leave it in your hair roots for around 2 hours maximum. You can leave it less than this. Once you find your hair turn it to jet black naturally, wash your hair with a regular mild shampoo and you will be amazed with the result. All the white and gray hair will disappear literally and you will get rid of it permanently.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.